Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how to fix your iPad Touch lock button here. Actually, this was broken. I just had fixed this. Actually, I'm using a webcam, so well, at least it's not laggy. Okay, by the way, here's how you fix it. Oops. There we go. I'm holding it too long, so that's why it's opening this section. The power off. So the technique is in 3, 2, 1. Read the comment below. In the screen, in the screen. And that's how you fix it. Thanks for watching.